Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Again, we have Lori Horton joining us in studio. Okay, in the last 3 minutes, she's put together this entire display. I'm very
Almost
impressed.
Filled it. Almost filled
impressed.
it.
I'm
just
very.
leave it a little bit for you guys just to kind of, see some of the final touches. So I've got just a few more pieces. We did just like a lemon, pound cake, just a simple loaf cake. Again, this can be whatever you want, but just think about, sort of the front of your table as you arrange everything and, kind of dress it towards your guests. Mm-hmm. And then, think
And one thing I've noticed is like you have different colors, like because a lot of like baked items include like the yellow theme.
A lot,
Right. So you have in between, you have like red flowers popping through.
Exactly.
And
we want to mix it up a little bit. So, maybe you don't want to take the time to make them quite as fancy as my little flowers, but you can just do like a little swirl of your school colors of icing or maybe some sprinkles. You can buy your simple colored sugars at the grocery store, things like that. So there's a lot of ways you can do that without getting, over the top on it.
Oh yes, and you have the labels
over
for
the
your
top. Yeah, so now that we've sort of got everything laid out, I've got my little flags here. And all I'm going to do is go through, and some of them I even did on the baked items as well. So you can kind of come through here and go, okay, well, these are Devil's Food cupcakes, and poke a little guy over here so that these are definitely chocolate chip cookies. But I think the most important ones is going to be for our dips. So we'll lay this guy over to the side that says he's the strawberry jam, and we've got some fudge brownies over here. Mm-hmm. This one is a chocolate buttercream. So just all of these different little guys as we go along, we want to make sure and pop in there. I think especially on things like, obviously when we took this out of the container, you could tell that was lemon cake. You can really smell it, but it's not going to be as obvious once this little guy sits out on your table for a minute. So just all of those little things to make sure that, again, you don't have to stand there and monitor this whole operation. You can kind of put all your goodies in there and walk away and just let everybody enjoy that.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I see you have some frosting here.
I do have some frosting here just in case of an emergency.
Yes.
But when we get to the end, I also have a can of whipped cream over here. If you'll pass that my direction.
Okay.
I think what we need to do at the end is always just make sure that like all these little gaps are filled in appropriately. And this is maybe where, some of the younger kids can get involved and help a little bit. And we're just going to sort of, fill this guy in and make some.
You've really thought of everything.
I try. Just make some little dollops on there.
And the whipped topping also serves as dip as well. Somebody might just want
one.
some of that.
Just another one. That's good with everything. But, again, coordinate your goodies. We've got strawberry that's going to go great with the lemon, all of that good stuff. Keep it cohesive.
Awesome. Well, this was a beautiful display, is a beautiful display. Thank you so much for coming on and showing us how to do this.
Absolutely.
So hopefully we got some graduation ideas out there for you. And we will be right back.